lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is some scrumptious oats and wheat bread. Charlie, you are going to love every bit of it. Very healthy and tasty. And so please, if you are watching and you have not yet subscribed, subscribe, like and share this video. So first start by activating our yeast, and I have a lukewarm water there. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar to it just to activate the yeast, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of yeast to it. So I'm going to cover this for 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, so the water is 100 ml. Do you get it? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to cover for 5 to 10 minutes for it to activate very well. So this is it has activated very well. So we'll put it aside, and I have my wheat flour. This is 4 cups of wheat flour, and I have oat flour 3 cups. Sorry, the oat flour is 2 cups and oatmeal 1 cup. So I have non-dairy milk powder to 1 cup, 2 tablespoons of nutmeg. I'm mixing everything together. Then I will add half a tablespoon of salt to it. So this is wheat and oat bread, healthy one. This bread, no sugar. The only sugar added was the one used to activate the yeast. Do you get it? So I added a half cup of oil, 2 eggs. I also added a tablespoon of flavor, vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. And so I'm going to dig in with my hands well cleaned, and then I'm going to add my activated yeast to it. I will add everything, and I'm going to mix it, and I'll be adding lukewarm water to this small till I get the consistency that I want. Everything is well mixed, and so don't pour all the water on it. No, just little by little. Then you mix it together till everything is well formed. And because this is wheat, it takes a lot of water, but that does not mean you should add all the water at once. And it's sticky. Don't worry, we are going to cover for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is it after 10 minutes, and we are going to knead it again. So I'm going to knead this very well. I'll have my chopping board there, sprinkle a bit of the wheat flour on it, and then I'm going to knead this. So you can knead this for about 10 minutes or more. Yes, so I'll be kneading with my palm, small till I get the stretchy the way I want. Do you get it? Please share this video for me. Please leave a comment. Please like this video. And so this bread, like I said, no sugar. This, we are trying to make some healthy bread here. Okay. And the wheat flour, you know, I made a wheat flour myself, and so I have the video in my videos. I'll leave the link in the description box or the comment section so that you can watch it. So what I realized was that it was a bit tough for me, like hard. So I decided to sprinkle a little bit of water on it to knead it. This is not supposed to be very hard, and it's not supposed to be very soft. I sprinkled oil on the board instead of flour because I don't want to add too much flour to it, because every little flour will add up to the hardness. Do you get it? And so after kneading it very well, you realize that it bounces very well. And so I'm going to put it in my bowl, place it in a bowl. The bowl, I've oiled it, and I'm going to cover this with cling film, set it aside for 30 minutes for it to double in size. Okay, so please, like I said, if you are watching me and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe for me, like and share this video, leave a comment as well. I will be very grateful for you to engage on my channel. Okay, so this is it after the 30 minutes. It has doubled in size, and we are going to get all the air out, and I'm going to do a little bit of kneading also on the chopping board. So just a little bit of flour. You can use oil and that will still be okay for it. So because I'm trying to make a healthy bread, instead of using margarine, I don't have butter in my possession. If you have butter, you can use it. And so instead of using margarine, I decided to use coconut oil. Do you get it? So I've taken some portion from it. I'm baking one big, one small, and I'm kneading this a little bit till I'm okay with this. So I just applied coconut oil on the rolling pin, and I'm rolling this, and I'm going to sprinkle raisins on top. Yes, I'm going to sprinkle because I did not add any sugar to it. The raisins are going to serve as a little bit of sweetener here and there. Do you get it? So I'll sprinkle more on top, and then I will use the rolling pin to roll it. Yes, so rolling it, I realized I have some excess at the edges, so I'm just taking those excess, then add it to the other one. And now I'm going to fold it on top, and then I'll be pinching it with my fingers, and then till I get to the I'll do that till I get to the end, and then what I'll do is to roll it on the chopping board very well for it to be smooth. Roll it, and as at this point I've already lined my baking pan with a parchment paper. So I'm going to place it in it. Just lift it and then place it in. Yes, and I'm going to do the small one also. Okay, so let's do the small one. Yes, so just the same process. Please like this video, leave a comment for me, subscription is free, so help me to grow this channel. So that one too, I'm going to place it in the baking pan, and I'm going to leave this in the sun, cover and leave it in the sun for 1 hour. So this is 1 hour. After 1 hour, it has doubled in size, and I'm going to bake this for 20 to 30 minutes. So after baking, so I bake this in the gas oven on a lower heat. Yes, if you are using an electric oven, then you can set it at 170 degrees Celsius. Do you get it? So this is our bread. Yes, this is our bread ready to be enjoyed. So we are going to cut the small one for you to see the sumptuousness, the scrumptiousness, not sumptuous, scrumptious. Yes, the scrumptiousness, and the bread was nice. I mean, without sugar, but it's nice. Everyone who tasted was like, wow, this is nice. And so this is it, our oat and wheat bread. Thanks so much for watching. Like this video, share for me. Bye bye.